Are you ready to elevate your Christmas table setup this year? Imagine your guests' delight as they spot intricately folded napkins that scream festive cheer. But how do you craft napkin decorations that are elegant, unique, and totally Instagram-worthy? Stay tuned, because we're diving into the most creative Christmas folded napkin decor ideas you've ever seen. How can folded napkins be used as Christmas gifts or favors? Folded napkins can double as thoughtful gifts or party favors. Hidden surprise fold. Tuck small treats or notes into the folds of your napkin, surprising guests with a sweet gesture. Ornament wrap. Fold napkins around small ornaments for guests to take home as a keepsake. DIY kit fold. Include folded napkins in a DIY Christmas kit with instructions for guests to recreate them at home. Check out the description for links to products featured in this video. How do you incorporate napkin decor with Christmas table accessories? Blending napkin designs with other table elements is key to creating a cohesive look. Napkin rings. Use holiday-themed rings like mini wreaths, bells, or snowflakes to elevate your folded napkins. Place cards. Combine napkins with personalized place cards to create a warm and welcoming vibe. Table centerpieces. Match your napkin folds with the centerpiece, such as a Christmas tree napkin alongside a miniature tree centerpiece. Like what you see? Subscribe for more inspiring holiday decor ideas delivered straight to your feed. What are some simple Christmas-themed napkin folds for beginners? Getting started with Christmas napkin folding doesn't have to be intimidating. Here are 3 easy and festive designs perfect for beginners. The Christmas tree fold. This classic design is simple yet stunning. Fold your napkin into layers resembling a tree and top it with a tiny star or ornament for a festive touch. The snowflake fold. Achieve an intricate snowflake look with minimal effort by using symmetrical folds and slightly flaring the edges. The ribbon bow fold. Give your table a gift-like feel by tying your napkin into a delicate bow. It's quick, chic, and universally charming. Love these ideas? Show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. What are some kid-friendly napkin folding ideas for Christmas parties? Involve kids in the festive fun with these playful napkin designs. Santa hat fold. Fold napkins into the shape of Santa's hat, adding a fluffy cotton ball at the tip for effect. Candy cane fold. Create a candy cane shape and place it alongside the actual treat for a delightful combination. Elf Shoe Fold. Turn napkins into whimsical elf shoes, perfect for adding a touch of magic to the kids' table. Curious about the products featured in this video? Find the details in the description. What are eco-friendly napkin folding ideas for a sustainable Christmas? Sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing style. Here's how to fold eco-friendly napkins for Christmas. Reusable cloth napkins. Opt for durable cloth napkins instead of disposable ones to reduce waste. Natural embellishments. Decorate your napkins with sprigs of rosemary, cinnamon sticks, or pine cones. Minimalist folds. Choose simple designs like a fan fold to maintain elegance while minimizing resource use. Want more ideas like this? Check out the description for similar videos. What are some advanced folded napkin designs for a luxurious Christmas dinner? If you're ready to impress with sophisticated designs, try these advanced techniques. The Angel Wing Fold. Perfect for a divine touch, this fold creates the appearance of angel wings, symbolizing peace and joy. The Reindeer Fold. Shape your napkin into a charming reindeer face, complete with a little red nose for Rudolph. The Star Fold. This intricate design forms a radiant star that's sure to steal the spotlight on your Christmas table. Have a favorite fold from this list? Comment below with your pick. We'd love to hear. How can napkin colors and patterns enhance the Christmas decor theme? Colors and patterns play a crucial role in the overall appeal of folded napkins. Here's how. Classic Christmas colors. Incorporate reds, greens, and whites to capture the quintessential holiday spirit. Metallic touches. Napkins with gold or silver accents add a luxurious and festive flair to any table setting. Seasonal patterns. Choose napkins featuring snowflakes, candy canes, or holly motifs for an extra festive vibe. Want to save this for later? Add this video to your holiday decor playlist. Check the description for more details. So, whether you're hosting a grand Christmas dinner or a cozy family gathering, these napkin decor ideas can transform your table into a festive masterpiece. From beginner-friendly folds to advanced designs, sustainable options, and kid-approved creations, there's something for everyone. So, which napkin fold will you try this Christmas? Let us know in the comments.